You're vlogging?
Do you want to go to the store with me? I'm vlogging you. Wait, smile. Oh, he's...
Well, here.
Twins?
Malibu bound.
Twins?
You know the deal.
But I'm fat now. Huh?
I think you got space in your bag.
You got what?
You got space in your bag?
No. Kinda sad. I don't know what kinda sad. Oh, there's a whole thing here. With a short, concise video. It is way too loud in the beach for me to make a video right now, so I'm gonna keep this really clean for you guys to enjoy the present moment. And if you guys have a car, have a bike, or live near a beach, I would recommend you guys go. If you don't, there's also parks. If you saw my last video, I enjoyed the whole day at the park. Well, not the whole day, but a couple hours at the park. So I recommend you guys do that. I'm in this beautiful earth. My feet in the ground. Not only are my feet in the ground, but they're grounded. Enjoy life with your family, as you can see. Take every moment knowing that everything else is momentary. Nothing in our life is going to be forever. Not our life, not our materialistic things. Take this moment to experience life, make a mark, share a good message, love the people around you, and take advantage of every opportunity you have. Last thing I have to say is, don't forget that every breath you are taking right now, every breath you take right now is a sign of life, and life is not forever. Enjoy life now, and that's it. This is weird making a short video. So today I will enjoy who I am today, and even the little more pounds I gained during this quarantine time. So I love you guys, take care, and enjoy the views I'm gonna give you today. Love you. Some Roscoe's chicken and waffles from the only Gower Street. The only one. Are you ready?
That's right.
Are you ready, girl? Did you try it?
That's bomb.
How about you, Sissa?
Oh, that's it.
Okay.
It's alright.
Alright. Bye. Enjoy your life. I don't know what it is about Roscoe's, but even in takeout, it's so dank. Hold on, one last taste.